So we are back in Madison County. Today's Monday, November 14th. Again, we have a south wind, which is usually very good for this particular spot. I can hear a bunch of action all over. I just can't see anything. There's several heavily wooded areas behind me. So I only have a doe tag today, so we'll see if something without antlers shows up so we can take a shot at it. Back in the same spot, my friends. I just shot a doe. Somehow she snuck up behind me, turned around, walked around a little bit. She turned around like she wanted to leave. I slowly drew my bow back, took a shot, and she ran another maybe, I don't know, 20, 30 yards again, and just collapsed. This has been an awesome hunting week for me. I shot a buck from the same spot on Friday afternoon, and now I have shot a doe. Yeah, Buck, I can see her laying down there. All right, folks. As you can see, the same arrow, the same lucky arrow is right here. Love it. All the way through. As you can see, there's blood. There's more blood. And you can see here the trail that this doe. You can see the trail this doe came up. She turned around on the spot and tried running the same way back. So there's more blood. This doe came up behind me, turned around, started quartering away. I took a shot a little far back. Arrow came right out. Again, it's my my same lucky arrow. Unbelievable! It is just unbelievable. This piece of public land is just, it's been good to me, but I've seen a lot of action. I've seen bigger bucks than what I've shot. You know, I played the wind. It was a south wind, and I noticed that during the south wind, animals like to come up this creek and go up in the fields, and I just sat there. It was perfect. We gotta dress this beautiful animal. Throw in the back of the truck and maybe draw another doe tag. We'll see. Thank you.